Hi there, welcome to Sugar Hiccups. This is my Hobonichi Weeks. This particular journal is by Hiroko Kubota and it is called Aurora Duty. I like this particular one because this fits right into my purse. And what I do with this is all my health and all my wellness and my moods. And it's something that I went ahead and I pre-decorated it. I did it because I want no fuss with it. I want to be able to record the things I need to do and just keep track of everything. So why don't we take a look on the inside? Here you can see I decorated it with a space theme and I have a lot of little prince motifs. So it's really fun and whimsical. There's the opening page. You can see Le Petit Prince. Here are the months. Okay. On this page, it goes from January through December. This is where I will record my weight, and I will not record it every day. I'll just record it, a few times through January and February and just have an overall view of it. I'm not going to stress over this journal. This is going to be light, and it's going to be some of the things that I definitely need to keep control of. For instance, my blood sugars, which I will put back here. I've been recently diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, so I need to work on that. On the actual months, this is like December, and then it starts in January for 2023. This is where I will record what appointments I have, whether I have to see my family doctor, or I have to go to the chiropractor, or get a vitamin B12 shot, or what have you. And I'll just share with you some of the stickers I used. Here's some kitty cats. These are raised a little bit. They're like little pillow stickers. And then these are flat. I threw in some fairies. I'll list my stickers in the description, so if you are interested in them, they will be there. There's Little Prince. This is June. Here's July. I added these little fairy sticker girls. I thought they were sweet as well. Constellations. Here's another little pillow kitty cat. The Prince. I think this is August, September, October, November, and December. Here we will have for the next year, 2024. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I'm not going to worry about it. But I did not want to decorate it. I wanted it to stop for this year. Now, when you get to this part of the Hobonichi Weeks, it starts in November and you have December, and then it'll go to January. So here's January. Here's the full of January. So on every full month, I put one little sticker. And here's where I will keep my blood sugars. And here, if I ate something that I really enjoyed and I had a recipe for it, I might leave it on this side, or any notes about my mood or what have you. Let me show you this February. There's March, little fox. These are all Little Prince. There's April, a little celestial stars. Here's June, Little Prince on the planet. And again, I didn't want to have something that I'd have to add every week or every day. I wanted something to have a lot of negative space so I could just write and a little bit of decoration so I don't feel like it's too empty. There's November, there's a September. So just one sticker on each of the months. There's December, Okay, so here in the book, they have a place for notes, and they have the pages and the subject. So if later on I would put my medications, I would put all my medicines or what I'm taking, I'd probably leave a few pages. And then if I were to do something else like meditation that I enjoyed or something that I want to write, I always have all these papers. Okay, I put some washi, which these are some little Prince washis. I thought they were really cute. So it adds a little visual rest, which is nice. He's so cute. Here is a list that they have in the weeks where it lists your favorites. And it says this is a great place for movies, books, music, restaurants, etc. So I think I might use it for restaurants, but I'm going to leave it blank and only fill it in like when I'm at the doctor's office waiting, because it'll give me something to do. I could do that. I could do my top 100, where you could do a list of 100 something you really enjoy. And here is your favorite things, like what is your favorite day of the week? So you could write that down. I know that sounds really weird, but it's kind of fun. If you're waiting for your doctor's appointment, you could just fill this in. That's what I'm going to do. How to have a better conversation. That is so cute. Okay, so here's the 365-day checkoff sheet, where every day you color in the bubble. I will not do that at all. I just put those stickers there, and I won't do it. But my addresses, I'm definitely going to write down here like my pharmacy address, my doctor's addresses, and those types of things. There's my little last page, which is kind of cute. And then here is the end. So there's the back. Isn't that cute? It's got some hot cocoa. So here's the opening. And then there is the end. I think those two turned out so cute. So thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you next time on Sugar Hiccups. Bye-bye.